stupid bird who's too scared to flee. When all I see is daisy clouds and Coca-Cola skies, I feel like there is something wrong with me deep inside. No matter how hard I tried, there's a rusty belly. I could never hide too long, corroding my insides. But rain or snow or sun or sleet, I still hop and peck at the worms beneath my feet in the dandelions. Ukulele, cloudy skies, there's so many things that make me so happy, no matter